In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a clean and professional light text effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, select the text tool and type your text. This is the font I'm using for the text. Press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform. Resize the text and position it as shown in the video. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate the text layer. Right-click on the duplicated text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Drag the duplicated text layer below the original text layer. Press Ctrl and T again to activate Free Transform on the duplicate layer. Right-click inside the bounding box and choose Flip Vertical. Then drag the text downward as shown. Right-click inside the bounding box again and choose Distort. Drag this corner outward. While dragging, hold Alt and Shift together to distort the text as shown in the video. Hide the duplicated text layer for now. Select the background layer. Add an exposure adjustment layer above it. Set exposure to -2.66 and set gamma correction to 0.92. Select the background layer again and press Ctrl and J to duplicate it. Place this duplicate above the original text layer. Right-click the duplicated background layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Double-click the original text layer to open its Layer Style menu. Enable Stroke and set the stroke values as shown in the video. Enable Outer Glow and set all outer glow settings exactly as shown. Enable Inner Glow and set the inner glow values as shown in the video. Then click OK. Unhide the duplicated text layer and set its blending mode to Overlay. Now go to Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Set the Gaussian Blur radius to 6 pixels and click OK. Press Ctrl and J to make a copy of the duplicate text layer. Click the Layer Mask button to add a layer mask to the second duplicate text layer. Select the Gradient tool, open the Gradient menu, and under Basics, choose Black to Transparent Gradient. Set the gradient type to Linear. Select the layer mask of the second duplicate text layer and drag the gradient straight upward on the light text reflection to fade the reflection naturally. Select the Crop tool and crop the canvas as shown to get the light text effect to the center. And that's it. You've successfully created a light text effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.